Ever looked at your phone, thought about how much easier life would be if it could magically pay for your dinner? No more fumbling for cash, no more swiping cards. Just a simple tap and voila, you're done. Sound like a dream? Well, it's not. It's FavePay. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Imagine your phone is a secret weapon, a digital wallet packed with possibilities. FavePay is like the key that unlocks this arsenal. It's more than just an app, it's a lifestyle upgrade. First things first, you need to get your hands on the FavePay app. It's a quick download, a simple sign-up, and boom, you're in the club. Think of it as getting a VIP pass to a world of cashless convenience. Now, let's talk about the money part. You've got to load up your digital wallet, right? Simple. Link your bank account, choose how much you want to transfer, and that's it. Your phone is now your piggy bank, but cooler. All right, you've got the app, you've got the money. Time to shine. You spot that cozy little cafe you've been eyeing. You order your favorite latte and that heavenly pastry. When it's time to pay, here's where the magic happens. Open your FavePay app, select the amount, and voila. You're presented with a QR code, or sometimes, you can simply tap your phone. It's like a futuristic handshake between you and the cashier. But wait, there's more. FavePay isn't just about paying, it's about rewarding you. Every time you use FavePay, you earn points. These aren't just ordinary points, they're like little gold nuggets you can hoard or spend on discounts, freebies, and more. It's like getting paid to pay, which, if you think about it, is pretty sweet. Security is a big deal, we know. FavePay takes your money seriously. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your cash. With advanced encryption and security protocols, your money is as safe as it can be. So, you can focus on enjoying your latte, not worrying about your wallet. Now, let's talk about the places where you can use your FavePay magic. From your favorite coffee shop to that trendy new restaurant, the list is growing every day. It's like having a global passport to cashless convenience. But what if something goes wrong? Don't panic. FavePay has got your back. There's a customer support team ready to assist you, like your own personal financial fairy godmother. So, there you have it. FavePay, the app that turns your phone into a financial superhero. It's easy to use, secure, and rewarding. It's more than just a payment method, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy spending.